Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy pre-market on Thinkorswim. First, ensure your account is enabled for extended hours trading. This feature allows you to place orders outside of regular market hours, typically between 7 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Understanding these hours is crucial for successful pre-market activity. We'll cover the steps to set up your platform and execute trades effectively. To enable extended hours trading, open your Thinkorswim platform and go to the Setup menu. From there, select Application Settings and then click on the Order Entry tab. You'll find a checkbox labeled Allow Pre-Market and After-Hours Trading. Make sure this box is checked to activate the feature. This simple step is essential before you can place any pre-market orders. Now let's place a pre-market order. Go to the Trade tab and select the stock or option you wish to buy. When setting up your order, it's crucial to select an Xed order type, like a limit or stop limit order. This indicates you want the order to be active during extended hours. Enter your desired price and quantity, then review and confirm your order for execution. Remember, pre-market trading can have lower liquidity and wider bid-ask spreads compared to regular hours. This means prices can be more volatile. Always use limit orders to ensure you buy at your desired price, helping to manage your risk effectively. It's also wise to start with smaller position sizes until you're comfortable. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.